Automated pool cleaner is a vacuum cleaner intended to collect debris and sediment from swimming pools with minimal human intervention. Every robotic cleaner offers different features which may or may not be of importance or of necessity to you. Thus, it's essential to know the exact requirement which is needed for you. So if you're searching for a suitable product, these are some of the best products available on the market right now. The Aquabot APR VJR Pool Rover comes with 40 feet of floating cable, a built-in 2-micron fine reusable filter bag, and a power supply transformer. It is a fully automatic robotic cleaner which vacuums any round, oval, or rectangular flat surface above-ground pool in 1 hour or less without hoses. The cleaner is powered by a 24-volt pump motor that provides vacuum suction and jet drive propulsion and works with the touch of a button. Also, the extra-wide, non-marring wheels roll over any surface, and patented EZ swivel device ensures a tangle-free cable. It is equipped with its own internal pump and filtration system with a reusable state-of-the-art filter bag to trap algae and bacteria as small as 2 microns. As well, it captures dirt, leaves, and sand. The Hayward RC9990 CUB Tiger Shark offered a fast 90-minute quick clean cycle, and it is equipped with intelligent microprocessor-based technology. It is built with an efficient 24-volt motor designed to use less energy and lower cost. The reinforced polyester filter cartridges are easy to clean. Just open the cleaner, remove the round, and rinse. It does not require any additional pumps, hookups, or hoses because they run separately from the pool's filtration system. Less water is used for backwashing. The optional caddy cart is used for easy handling and storage of cleaners, power supply, and cord. Also, it runs separately from the pool's filtration system by reducing the frequency of filter backwash cycles. The Dolphin Nautilus Robotic Pool Cleaner features dual scrubbing brushes which attack tough dirt, debris, and particulates, providing more friction and better cleaning performance compared to competitors that skim the pool floor. It includes the patented Dolphin Swivel technology that gets rid of tangling and ensures complete pool coverage. While competitors' pool cleaners swirl around the pool floor in random patterns, Dolphins use the smart navigation to scan and clean your pool floor thoroughly. It includes a large bottom-load, fine and ultra-fine filter bag for collecting massive amounts of leaves, dirt, and debris. Also, it is incredibly efficient and costs less than 15 cents to clean the pool. The Dolphin Premier In-Ground Pool Cleaner comes with a smart nav software that delivers highly optimized scanning and coverage for a new level of clean. The Hyper Grip dual tracks for 40% less slippage while climbing walls and stairs. The ingenious multimedia filtration system delivers an exceptional user experience while reducing energy use up to 87%. Without a 360-degree swivel, every cable will ultimately tangle and destroy efficiency. The Premier provides visionary mobility, inspiring design, and a whole new focus on sustainability. The power cable is 60 feet long and has an anti-tangle swivel device. The Dolphin Premier is shipped with microfilter cartridges, standard cartridges, and an oversized debris filter bag. The Dolphin Nautilus CC Pool Cleaner comes with clever clean technology that systematically scans your pool to determine the most efficient path, regardless of shape or surface, resulting in the clean pool every time. The easy-to-access sizable top-load filter capacity, which includes a high-load fine basket filter for collecting leaves, dirt, and debris. The durable tracks and a scrubbing brush create the friction needed to remove leaves, dirt, and debris on the floor and walls, leaving your pool sparkling clean. The front sizable active brush spins at 2 times the speed of the robot for extra scrubbing power. The cleaner also has software-controlled anti-tangling algorithms to help prevent tangling during the cleaning cycle. The Aquabot Pool Rover S2 Robotic Pool Cleaner is designed for all pool shapes and surfaces up to 40 feet, and it is ideal for above-ground pools. The sleek design allows for maximum maneuvering through the lake. It has an easy-to-access filter bag filtration system to help ensure filtration down to the smallest of particles. Also, this cleaner features the Aquabot pump that can filter over 80 gallons per minute for the ultimate in suction power. It has a 40-foot cable and convenient power supply with 1 or 2 hour options. This cleaner utilizes our patented hydro-robotic technology that propels the cleaner through the pool with the dominant force of water. It can filter up to 80 plus gallons per minute to help ensure more dirt and debris are removed. In at first place, we have the Dolphin Nautilus CC Plus Pool Cleaner. It comes with a clever clean, is a must-have for any pool of up to 50 feet in length. The dual-layer filtration system separates and filters rough, fine, and ultra-fine dirt for highly efficient, clog-free filtration. It snaps apart for super easy cleaning. The extra-large top-access filter system is equipped with 2 full sets of filter cartridges. The patented swivel cable offers the robotic cleaner technology to spin and rotate a full 360 degrees with the robot's movement in the water, without the cable becoming kinked or tangled. Another important feature to note about Dolphin Robotics is the fact that it is entirely independent of your pool's pump and filter, enabling you to clean your pool using a fraction of the energy that other types of cleaning systems. Thanks for watching.